Good afternoon, traders. How's everyone doing? Right, so quick update on BTC. If you watched my last video, we said we were building some buyer pressure underneath us, some bids, and so we've seen a good move up on BTC today. Finally, we can see that this W formation was a accumulation zone where they were accumulating. So we're looking for distribution zones now. What is a distribution zone? Distribution zone is a sell zone. So I want to see New York open, how it opens up. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go. Okay, so yeah, we want to see a retracement back into the daily VWAP at least, which is actually expanded up now to about 115. Let's say 115,400. So we want to see some type of retracement to come back at. And why do we want to see the retracement? We want to see if this move was legit. So we want to see a retracement and a continuation up. So I am targeting, and still in my long positions, I am targeting 117, 500, then 1838, and then 19.5, let's say 1195. And we do know, and we've spoken about it, and other YouTubers and other analysts are talking about the liquidity above us. We must be careful because they could front run that as well. So we want to be very, very careful. When I say very, very careful, you want to be taking profits. That's what I mean by that. Yeah. So don't think just because we have liquidity sitting up here that that's your target. No, you always take profits as we go. So I will be adding to my long position in here on this, and we have in our trading group we have taken a lot of scalps on BYDFI exchange, which is a very good exchange. So if you guys want to want to join my free Telegram group, where you also get my indicators for free, my VWAP indicators and other indicators, and also I teach you free order flow, how to read order flow on softwares like this or platforms like this. We will be doing something really big with Atos coming very, very soon. But yeah, while we're here, we can have a quick look at this. So we did eat into the asks over here. So we want to see some more bids come into this zone here. That's only going to happen probably like New York. We do have some data today as well. So we are seeing a lot of buys come in on these lower levels. I mean, when we were looking at this, let's go to a different time frame actually. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. When we actually was monitoring this behavior down here, it was a lot of accumulation and bids being picked up, and they were getting picked up aggressively. So this may be a news play. I don't know. I don't really follow news. I only follow stats that I can see in front of me. So we do have a lot of asks coming in. So we want to see a retracement back into this level, and we want to see some bids come in. We want to see some bids come in. I don't see bids at the moment. Well, I don't see that many bids coming in at the moment, but it's a very early in the day because New York hasn't opened. So that's what I have for BTC. So we want to see a retracement back in for a continuation up. So if you want to be taking some long positions, it's very, very easy. You can actually, what we're doing, you can actually target a long position back up with a stop. You'd have to cover the VWAP, so I would say there's a couple of trades available here. So you want to see something like that, really. Let's have a look. Targeting the highs at least. So you want to see a retracement back in for a continuation up. I will be doing a more deeper analysis on BTC, more of a macro higher time BTC on where we're heading, what I think that's going to be happening, and this video will be coming out over the weekend. So yeah, that's all I have for you for BTC. Remember, guys, if you want to be trading, this is a very good exchange, BYDFI. The links in the description below. They do help us support the channel very well. They're doing great deposit bonus, and the fees are very, very low as well. We also have a new partner, a new sponsor of the channel, BLOFIN. So you can actually, the links in the description before, it's non-KYC exchange. They are offering a 20% trading bonus cashback. Another good exchange which I will be trying out in the next upcoming weeks. I have done a mini trial on there. So if you want to get some bonuses, links are in the description of this video for all of the exchanges that I use on a daily basis that I trust as well. Thank you. Now coming back to this order flow, let me just show you something, guys. So we want to go to a 5-minute time frame, and right now this is a free order flow software that you can use, marketmonkeyterminal.com. Yeah, it's free. So what we want to be seeing, I mean, it's something that I quickly have a look into, but it's not, I mean, it's good software. But obviously, you know, if you want to take your game to a professional level, you want to be using Atos. And we will be doing some Atos classes very, very soon. So let's have a look at this. So we want to see, you can see we eaten into the the bids have eaten into the asks. So we've you know, they've sold basically. So we want to be getting some more yellow prints coming in here, which are going to show that we have interest in this. So usually we would look at the DOM. This is quite a basic DOM that, you know, that they've got here. I would use a more advanced DOM, like maybe something on Atos or Exo charts, where we can see some orders or some bids coming in, but we don't really see that at the moment. Like I said, it is a bit early at the moment. So we do see that they want to offer out on the top. We have some, yep, we do have some over on 118 as well. So yeah, let's have a look at the other order flow actually. So I'm not sure if you can see my screen. This is just a quick overview. So we do see some bids coming in at 1116, 1115, 800. So that's good news. So we're seeing we may have a good green day today. Now, one thing we must be careful about, if we do just blast straight through this and we do actually get to higher levels, then I'm going to be a bit cautious. Then I want to see more price development, because right now we are overextended and we need to see a retracement. So there you go, guys. If you want to get daily trades, daily setups that actually work, managing risk, your risk management, I got strategies, VWAP strategies, order flow strategies, fair value gaps. We teach you about this. We teach you about liquidity pockets and spoofing. No one talks about spoofing. We actually teach you how to spot spoofing, you know. So if you want to be a successful trader without all the BS and the noise, yeah, the links in the description below. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.